providing you the information you need in these uncertain times. Welcome to the channel and enjoy the video.
Gold IRA Rollover Guide. How to secure your retirement savings. Are you looking for a Gold IRA Rollover Guide to help secure your retirement savings? You've come to the right place. In this video, we will provide you with a comprehensive Gold IRA Rollover Guide to help you understand the steps involved in the process and how to protect your financial future. Keep watching to learn more about rolling over your retirement savings into a Gold IRA account. What is a Gold IRA Rollover? A Gold IRA Rollover is a process by which you can transfer your retirement savings from a traditional IRA or 401k into a Gold IRA. Gold IRAs are unique in that they allow you to invest in physical gold, giving you exposure to the precious metals market and diversifying your portfolio. This process of transferring your retirement savings can be done easily and securely, allowing you to take advantage of the potential benefits of gold investing. When you perform a Gold IRA rollover, you typically will open up a new account with a Gold IRA company. The company will then purchase the gold bullion on your behalf and hold it in a secure storage facility. Your retirement funds are then transferred from your current account into the new Gold IRA, with all taxes and fees taken care of by the company. From there, you can choose to buy more gold or other types of investments for your retirement portfolio. Gold IRA rollovers have become increasingly popular in recent years due to their ability to provide investors with diversification, stability, and potential long-term gains. While gold prices tend to fluctuate over time, it can provide an important hedge against inflation and currency depreciation, potentially leading to greater returns in the long run. Furthermore, gold has been used as a store of value for centuries, making it an attractive option for those looking to secure their retirement savings. Whether you are looking to diversify your existing retirement portfolio or are interested in the potential benefits of gold investing, a Gold IRA rollover may be worth considering. Make sure to do your research and choose a reputable company before making any decision.
Hi, I'm Joe Montana. I had a lot of success in my football career, and it wouldn't have been possible without a great team protecting me. I'm here to tell you about my dedicated and knowledgeable team at Augusta Precious Metals that helped diversify my portfolio to protect my hard-earned retirement savings. To get the playbook, all you have to do is sign up for the web conference. So hit that sign-up link and get coached by a winning team. It's one you can't afford to miss.
The benefits of a Gold IRA rollover. A Gold IRA rollover can be an excellent way to protect your retirement savings from economic downturns, inflation, and market volatility. Gold has been a reliable store of value for centuries and is considered a hedge against economic uncertainty. By rolling over your retirement savings into a Gold IRA, you can ensure that your retirement funds are safe, secure, and will have the potential to generate growth in the future. Gold IRAs also offer other benefits, such as tax benefits. With a Gold IRA, you can defer taxes on any money you contribute to the account and any money you reinvest from it. This means you can delay paying taxes on your retirement funds until the time comes when you actually use them. Protection against inflation. Gold has historically proven to be an effective hedge against inflation. When inflation rises, gold tends to rise as well, making it a great choice for protecting your retirement savings. Diversification. Adding gold to your portfolio helps to diversify your investments and lower your risk of losses during times of market volatility. Liquidity. Many Gold IRA accounts are highly liquid and allow you to access your funds quickly and easily. These are just a few of the benefits of rolling over your retirement savings into a Gold IRA. If you're looking for an alternative way to secure and grow your retirement funds, a Gold IRA rollover could be the perfect solution. The process of rolling over your retirement savings into a Gold IRA. The process of rolling over your retirement savings into a Gold IRA is fairly simple. To begin, you will need to identify a reputable Gold IRA custodian who will handle the transaction on your behalf. The custodian will manage all the paperwork associated with the rollover process and also ensure that all legal and regulatory requirements are met. Once you have identified an appropriate custodian, you will need to open a Gold IRA account with them. After you have done this, you will need to fund the account with your retirement savings. This can be done either through an existing IRA or through a rollover from a 401k or other qualified retirement plan. When you have completed these steps, you can then decide how to invest your retirement savings in gold. You can either purchase gold bullion coins or bars, or you can buy shares in gold ETFs, exchange-traded funds, which track the price of gold. When it comes time to make withdrawals from your gold IRA account, the process is much like any other traditional retirement account. You will need to consult with your custodian to understand what rules and regulations apply for withdrawals and distributions from your account. Rolling over your retirement savings into a gold IRA can be an excellent way to protect your financial future. With careful planning and research, you can ensure that your hard-earned retirement savings are safe and secure for years to come. Tips for choosing a gold IRA company. 1. Make sure the company is reputable. Before investing in a gold IRA, you should make sure that the company you're working with is reputable and has a good reputation. 1. Check out reviews from other customers to get an idea of their level of service and customer satisfaction. 1. You can also research the company's financial ratings to ensure that your investments are safe and secure. 2. Ask about fees and commission. When selecting a gold IRA company, you should ask about any associated fees or commission that might be charged. This information can help you decide if the company is right for you, as well as give you an idea of the overall cost of investing with them. 3. Look into storage options. The storage of your gold investments is important and can affect the value of your investment. You should investigate the various storage options offered by the gold IRA company you're considering to make sure your gold is securely stored. 4. Find out if there are minimum investments. Most gold IRA companies will have minimum investment requirements, so it's important to find out what they are before making any decisions. This way, you can be sure that the company you choose meets your needs and budget. 5. Ensure a smooth transition. When selecting a gold IRA company, you should make sure that the transition process is smooth and hassle-free. Ask questions about how long it will take to move your retirement savings over to the new account, and make sure you understand the entire process before making any commitments. Advantages and risks of a gold IRA rollover. One of the main advantages of a gold IRA rollover is that it provides a level of stability and security for your retirement savings. By investing in physical gold, you can protect your funds from market volatility and economic uncertainty. Additionally, gold has historically proven to be an effective hedge against inflation, which can erode the value of your retirement savings over time. However, there are also some risks to consider when investing in a gold IRA. For example, the price of gold can be highly volatile and can fluctuate rapidly in response to market conditions and other factors. Additionally, investing in physical gold can be challenging and may require you to store your gold in a secure facility, which can add to the cost of your investment. It's important to weigh the advantages and risks carefully before making a decision about a gold IRA rollover. It's also a good idea to seek the advice of a financial advisor who can help you determine if a gold IRA is right for you and help you navigate the process. A gold IRA rollover can be an effective way to diversify your retirement portfolio and protect your savings from market volatility and inflation. However, it's important to carefully consider the advantages and risks of this type of investment and to choose a reputable and trustworthy gold IRA company. With careful planning and research, you can secure your financial future and ensure that your retirement savings are safe and secure for years to come. Don't wait, secure your financial future today. Augusta Precious Metals is our top pick for a gold IRA rollover. Head to the link in the description or visit easygoldinvestments.com to learn more and get a free gold IRA kit. And if you prefer to talk to a specialist, call 1-855-470-4636 now to take the first step towards protecting your hard-earned savings. Invest in gold, invest in yourself.
Our top pick for a great company to work with in setting up a new gold IRA, or rolling over an existing 401k or traditional IRA is Augusta Precious Metals. Money Magazine rated them Best Gold IRA Company for 2022, and they have one of the best customer satisfaction rates in the industry. Get in touch with them now to see how you can get fees waived for up to 10 years. Click the link in the video description or visit easygoldinvestments.com. You can also call them at 1-855-470-4636. They will get a gold guide out to you right away and answer any questions you may have. Don't wait, visit easygoldinvestments.com or call 1-855-470-4636. Protect your retirement from losing value due to inflation and potential turbulent times ahead.